Is President aware of Davao artist Bree Jonson's death? Her mother said she fears about the country's justice system because the Ompings are a powerful family.
Yes, and he has instructed the criminal justice system of the country to accord the victims justice. Pero kinakailangan po, hayaan natin na magpatuloy ang investigasyon para malaman natin kung ano talagang nangyari.
Thank you, Secretary Roque. Susunod na magtatanong via Zoom si Pia Ranyada ng Rappler.
Go ahead, Pia.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Just first on the Pharmaly controversy. So, sir, like you mentioned, diba, yung Pharmaly executive statement, you said earlier that it requires more substantiation. So, doesn't this in itself precisely merit an investigation by the executive department? Will you investigate this on your own?
We will look into the matter, no? But what is important is yung sinabi nga po ni Yusek Vergere, no? Na kahit kailan pa na-manufacture yan, ininspekta yan ng DOH and it was accepted because it was pursuant to standards set by the WHO.
When you say look into the matter, does this mean the Department of Justice will make its own investigation?
We leave that to the Department of Justice to decide.
So what do you mean when you said we will look into the matter?
I'm sure that the DOH will look into the allegation and to see if it is in fact verified, no? Because right now it came from one source and we do not know under what circumstance the source may have said this, no? So let's find out. Sabi ko nga po, no, even as a lawyer, as a legal educator, physical evidence matters.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.